Hello and welcome to Maple Clinic YouTube channel, where we break down everything you need to know about aesthetic treatments. Hi, I'm Dr. Jake.
Hi, I'm Dr. Christy, and today's episode is all about skin tightening treatments, which is Ultherapy and 10Therma.
These are the most popular two non-surgical lifting and tightening devices in the market. And we have a lot of questions from our patients. We will tackle all these common questions and also give our clinical opinions as well. Let's do a game first. So, question number 1. Which treatment gives us the best visible lifting? Which gives faster results? Which gives longer lasting results? Which is safer and has fewer side effects? Which gives better value for money? First, let's briefly discuss about the difference and the similarities between Ultherapy and 10Therma. So, Ultherapy stimulates collagen in the deep layers using microfocus ultrasound. These deep layers is also known as the SMES layer. This SMES layer is the usual layer where plastic surgeons use to manipulate for facelift treatment without breaking the skin.
Yes, I think that's the biggest selling point for Ultherapy. 10Therma, on the other hand, uses radiofrequency technology. So it works by heating up the deep layer of the dermis and to stimulate the collagen remodeling and skin tightening. So it works like a bulk heating of the deep tissue.
In a nutshell, both of these machines stimulate collagen. Both are not invasive. However, they use different skin system, and because of this, it targets different layers and different skin concerns. So which treatment gives a better visible lifting? So in my opinion, Ultherapy does give a stronger lift. That is because it can target those deeper foundational skin layers to give that a lift. Specifically the SMES layer, where the surgeons work on those layers for the facelift. So if someone has jowling, sagging skin, or wants a brow lift, Ultherapy can help reposition those layers and help lift them. The FDA-approved machine does give more confidence for us and our patients as well.
I totally agree with you. Ultherapy does give that deeper and structural lift. However, I think it is also very important to understand that not everyone needs that deep targeting treatment. I think 10Therma is a very powerful skin tightening device that is suitable for those with loose skin, which then can give them an overall firming effect.
10Therma does give the faster results. Many of our patients actually walk out of the treatment room noticing immediate lift and also tightening as well. And this is due to the immediate collagen contraction available from the treatment of monopolar radiofrequency. And of course, results continue to improve over the next few months, but the immediate wow effect is quite common.
Okay, yes, I think 10Therma definitely gives the immediate skin tightening effect. But honestly, when I do Ultherapy with the right patient, with the right energy, I do see an immediate result as well. So I think it's really come down to a proper candidate selection with proper tool and at the correct layer, then we can see quite noticeable result quickly, whether it is Ultherapy or 10Therma.
Ultherapy does have the edge in terms of long-lasting results. This is because they actually target the deeper and more structural layers of the skin. So, of course, it tends to take some time to generate the result, but this result actually lasts longer, sometimes a year or even longer than that. But of course, it depends on the patient's skin condition and their lifestyle as well.
No doubt, Ultherapy definitely gives a longer lasting results as compared to 10Therma. However, one thing, so Ultherapy usually target the deep layer to stimulate collagen. So the peak result is always come like about 3 to 6 months later, while 10Therma, maybe 1 month you can see a good result already. So I would say 10Therma, because being a newer generation of the monopolar RF devices, it comes with a lot of smart safety features. One of it, the real-time temperature sensor, which I really like about it because it will automatically pause the treatment, the energy delivery, once it detects that the temperature exceeds 45 degrees Celsius. And another feature, which is real-time impedance checking system. This means that it will automatically adjust the energy output according to our skin resistance.
I think you have heard a lot about Ultherapy being quite painful. So yes, I do agree with that. It's slightly more uncomfortable than 10Therma. But this is because also they do have a very specific technology that is their added advantage, and that is called the deep sea technology. This DeepSeek technology helps us to visualize the skin layers in real time so that we can deliver the energy at the right layers and not blindly like some other devices. And this allows us to deliver exactly where we want, with the energy that we want, and it's especially safe for people who are experienced practitioners like us.
Both devices are medical grade device. So, which means it requires authorized and well-trained doctors to perform it for the safety reason. Well, if we're comparing per session costs, I would say 10Therma is generally more affordable because it is faster to perform and the consumable is less expensive. So for those patients with mild to moderate laxity who are seeking for a skin texture improvement, 10Therma definitely more worth it.
But Ultherapy actually might offer a more long-term value, right? Because it costs more upfront, but the results actually last longer because of the deep structural layers that it penetrate, especially if lifting is their main goal.
Agree. So I would say if someone who are looking for subtle tightening effect, maybe they can choose 10Therma. And those who are looking for structural lift, then maybe Ultherapy worth the higher price.
That's right. So sometimes the real value is in combining them. So 10Therma gives you the immediate result, whereas Ultherapy gives you a more long-lasting structural improvement. So this targeting of different layers does give a more wholesome approach and more wholesome results for our patient. And that's why we need to tailor this treatment for you and be able to give you the best bang of your buck.
There's really no one-size-fits-all answer. Whether it is Ultherapy or 10Therma, it really depends on your skin condition, your treatment goals, and the investment budget.
So for example, I have a patient recently, 50 years old lady, who wanted to treat her jowling. That was the main concern. And Ultherapy actually worked wonders for her and she's really happy with her results after.
On the other hand, I treated a younger patient with mild skin laxity. 10Therma works perfect for her because she can see the instant glow with firmer texture without any downtime.
So, if you're unsure of which treatment actually suits you best, feel free to consult a professional and we are happy to guide you through the decision process.
And if you'd like to consult with us, feel free to reach out to our clinic. The details are in the description below. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so that you won't miss the next episode.
Alright, see you in the next video.